Google has introduced a new way to sign into your account without using a password. It's called passkeys, and it's a more secure and convenient alternative to traditional passwords and two-factor authentication methods like SMS verification. Passkeys use cryptographic keys that require a pre-authenticated device, such as a local PIN or biometric data like fingerprints or Face ID. They are stored only on your devices and not shared with Google or any third party, which makes them less vulnerable to phishing attacks. To add a passkey to your Google account, simply go to your account settings and follow the prompts. You can also revoke your passkey if you lose your device or suspect someone else has access to your account. Passkeys are currently supported on major platforms like iOS and Android, and can be shared between devices using services like iCloud or password managers like Dashlane and 1Password, expected to arrive in early 2023. Although passkey support is not yet widely adopted, Google hopes that by encouraging users to switch to passkeys now, other service providers will follow suit, and eventually, passwords will be replaced entirely. For now, Google accounts will continue to support existing login methods like passwords, but passkeys are the way of the future.